Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm here, back home in South Philly finally. I don't know if I'm gonna release this last, but this will definitely be the last sushi review. I figure I ended where I started it, here in Philly. Everything starts and ends in Philly. I went to GINZA, which is on 1100 Front Street. I got these two, they had the California roll. I was like, you know what, F it. One is called an oyster bomb, which is just like straight up. See that? And then they got a la carte sushi. So this one is the Tobiko, which is apparently some type of like flying fish. I can't make this shit up at this. And then obviously I got the soy sauce here, but some type of like, I don't know what type of sauce that is. I'm kind of scared to open it. Just chilling up here. I'm cold as shit. I got the hoodie on because I couldn't do this without the hoodie. Like I wouldn't have made it. I'm one of the people that when I get cold, I'm no good. So, oh, thing with like barbecue almost. I don't know. It smells like sweet and kind of smoky. But apparently, this is one of the best places in the city. So, like I said, I figure I'd start and end with this. But as always, we rate everything on 4 categories: saltiness, uniqueness of the roll, overall freshness and taste, and the appearance. I gotta be honest, it's 3 out of 5. It's actually a 2 out of 5. This shit look kind of like, it looked like here you go. You know what I mean? It ain't exactly put together the best. But uniqueness, I give them a 4 out of 5. The oyster bomb sounds amazing. And the fact they got something in their menu that flew in its fast life is wild to me. That isn't chicken. Trying the oyster bomb first. It's deep fried oyster. And this shit is fire. Oh my God. I don't know if y'all like oyster. I like raw oysters low key. But like, the texture is weird. It breaks down fast, but it's right there. 5 out of 5 on the saltiness. But I give it a 4 out of 5 on the overall taste and freshness. Like, it ain't nothing crazy, but it is real good. Soy sauce. I also want to take this time to just address something somebody talked to me about. I told one of my friends I was doing this. They was like, why the hell you been moving so much the last month? I was like, I'm doing a sushi review. Felt the need to ask me why a black dude was doing a sushi review. And if you're thinking that, or if you watched any of these and you thought that, that is the most narrow-minded shit I've ever heard. Why the hell wouldn't I do different shit than what people expect from me? Why wouldn't I go try different foods, or go to do something else, or talk about something besides sports, or fucking rap? Like, I'm sorry, I ain't about to get on the soapbox, but that shit kind of like, it kind of blew mine. I'm like, that's the shit. Like, that's what we're going against. And he was black. But yeah, like I said, I ain't gonna get on the soapbox, but just, if you watch any of these and wonder like, why is a black dude doing this, it's like, well, how else is shit supposed to move forward if somebody doesn't do something a little different? Not that I'm like saving black media by eating fucking sushi every day for a month, but playing my part. In my rambling, I forgot to mention it. Whatever the hell that sauce is, and I'm actually kind of proud of myself for going ahead and trying it, despite not knowing what the hell is in there. That shit is amazing. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna find it out before I drop this video and put it in there, but that shit was amazing. And now for this flying fish roll, which is just sushi style, but like I said, a la carte. It's like $6 for these two. see the red fish eggs and everything on there. They just like loaded this shit up. Oh, this gonna fall apart on me. Yeah, now the plating on this shit is terrible. My God, I need a fork. Fuck it. I'm just... No! Mm. 5 out of 5 on the overall taste. That would be so simple. That was good as shit. It's like right to the point. It's smoky. Whatever this fish is smoky. It's not like overwhelming. Like I said, the plating sucks ass. See how much I just dropped. Yeah, this is fire. This is fire. All in all, GINZA on 1100 Front Street, obviously right here in Philly, is amazing. So if you're ever in South Philly or Penn's Landing or Northern Liberties or Point Breeze or Fishtown, which is all like relatively close. It's all like 5 minutes from this place. Definitely suggest trying out GINZA. Tell him Ray sent you. It ain't gonna get you shit, but it'd just be funny to see his face twist up for a second. It's good. It lives up to the hype. They said one of the best spots in the city. Shit's incredible. Could have been prettier, but good. And as far as the flying fish roll go, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 on uniqueness. Cause I done seen a lot of shit fly. I done let a lot of shit fly. I done flew a couple times. I ain't never seen a fish do it. That's pretty dope. That's enough of me and my dad jokes. This is the end of the sushi crawl. Like I said, you're closed-minded. Keep your mouth that way. Oh, that was my chair this week. I just got shook. If you like this, definitely let me know what I could do next. I'm kind of planning this Mexican March Madness thing, but I don't want to wait that long to do this again. I love this shit. I love this type of content. I love that it's different. I love that I'm not talking about and doing the things that I usually do. I don't like the mercury poison that I'm probably gonna have from this month, but you gotta take the good with the bad. Or the yin with the yang. For anybody who's expecting that stereotypical joke. And yeah, sorry for the dry humor too. I'm actually like pretty happy right now. Cause like I said, I'm supposed to be born British, so I keep all my straight faces. But this shit's good. This has been fun. This is the best way to end it. Like I said, I'm home. I'm in South Philly, sitting on the roof, talking to y'all once again. And stay tuned with everything that Stay Tuned got. And GINZA ain't pay us. I mean, GINZA ain't partners. I came out of pocket with this, so there's only so much I can plug it. I'm just kidding. Stay tuned with them, but stay tuned with everything. Stay tuned got coming on. We got some pretty dope shit coming up. Y'all be cool. Like, y'all be cool.